Do we all know the true purpose of the tonic? I told Tom, give me a break. As far as I'm concerned, tonic to me is what I put in my glass of vodka or gin. So you're saying, so who cares? So what if you put tonic in your gin or vodka? Let me tell you why. What is the purpose of putting tonic water? Why not water? If you get a clear glass, get a bottle of tonic water and pour it into the glass. It will be bubbly. There will be a lot of fizz. And you can actually hear, and you'll see at the top. I said, ah, I know now why Tom assigned me tonic. Because it's not my shape, huh? It's not my size. It's because I'm bubbly. Now, Tom, I'm gonna beat you in your own game. Don't you dare say because you got the figure of a bubble. And Mina saying, but you do. Okay, Mina, okay. That's what I want you to do. When someone assigns you a role and you don't understand, don't pretend. Be very brave and boldly say, don't understand. Why are people so afraid to say they don't understand? Why are people always trying to be so smart? Remember the saying, if you want to be the smartest in the room, well, good luck to you. You will stagnate because you don't want to grow, because you're too proud, you have your ego. But if ever I sound smart, it's because you notice I'm very good at saying, huh? What? And I learned so much from people. Therefore, allow me to inspire all of you and let you know that being bubbly and saying, I don't know, is the best way for you to learn and grow. Not sideways like me, but grow in thought and in heart in reaching out to people. Sending you love from Manila. Wah, wah, wah.
Wow, beautiful message. Yes, we must not act that we not. Oh, just let's listen. Be listener. It's more. We learn, we grow. Thank you so much for the beautiful message. And I like the tonic one. Thank you.